Hi guys, before this video starts, I'm just gonna say when I unboxed the box here, the recording was gone. Sorry, so I didn't record it. I'm very sorry for that. Here we have how it looks and how it came. Here we have the package myself and my new body, my grandmother's cat. So yeah, this is just before the video. So see ya, and I hope you like the video, and like the video if you want more. So we're going to open this. It's very nice package as well, to protect the locomotive for dirt and scratches. A little higher up. This much better. This is very hard. Oh yes. Here we have that. I'm going to show you guys later, but and the tender. Yeah, so now I'll be filming that. First look at the locomotive itself. Whoa, wow. It looks very well actually. Not so much dirt. Yeah, I think the owner of this locomotive is very good. Very good to have locomotive so service it. It looks actually very nice. The BR1, no, I think the BR23 is one of my favorite locomotive. This is not a DA 800 and not a 3005. This is a, yeah, that looks very nice. This locomotive is very nice. Oh, it has some rubber tire. That's something very good. And as you see, when I do this on the side here, this is actually this. This is fantastic. This is fantastic, and it looks actually very nice. See here. This looks very nice. No rust on it. No scratch as I can see, but yeah. Not here. Oh, we have some. Yeah. It looks very nice, and the wheel looks very clean as well. That's a very good thing. And now we're going to look at the tender. Oh, it must take that. I must take this off. Yeah, so here we have a coal tender. This is a very old look, but the details on this looks actually very good. It looks very good. And this looks actually very good too. Oh, it's just going to get this here. I don't want that on my locomotive. Yeah, it looks fantastic actually. Wait, it is. I don't know if you can see this. No, we can't. But yeah. It looks actually very good. No rust as I can see on it. That's very good. That's a very good thing to see. So we now have no rust on it. It looks actually very good. Yeah, it just indeed it is. And we're going to test this thing out in my So we're gonna test this locomotive, but I am not in my ordinary layout as I already say, my grandma's house apartment. So yeah, we will so we will drive it there. It's just here, but yeah. So take you there. A difficult thing to do in this locomotive is, of course, to set it on the rail properly. But it actually, yeah. So we'll it's just gonna fix that. Well, I hope you can see good as well. Oh. I'm gonna set extender in a proper way so it knows the derail. That's a problem with this extender, is that it can easily derail, but if you have so set it properly, it's not going to derail. I hope for you guys, for me. I bought this. I buy this bought for myself to as a present on my birthday. I buy it to myself. So now we're going to start this thing. Let's do that. So we're going to set this little power to see if this reacts or if it's alive. Okay. 1%. Oh, it's work. It's work. Yeah. So lights are on. That's a good thing. Here you can see the much electricity I have home. So, oh my fingers. So we're going to little power as well to see if this locomotive can crawl or it not can. Oh, we have some moment here. It's not a very good crawler, but it can just do it. A little more power. Now that's what I'm talking about. And yeah, so it stopped, but more power. Oh, it moves. Yeah, it moves actually very good. This is a very nice look at the light and the details on this one. It looks actually very different from the BA 800. Sorry for my shaky filming here. It's a very good locomotive. Here it comes again. Okay, so should we go a little faster? To like 100. Oh, it was very fast now. Please don't derail. Okay, I think we need a wagon. Oh, we haven't tested to go backwards. Ooh, satisfying. Yeah, it can actually. That's actually very good performance. Look how slow it can go. So we need some passenger wagon. So see you then. These wagons are not historic, but yes, this is historic, but not. Yeah. We have the locomotive step with the tender and. Hey, cat, you are sitting on right on my model train. What are you doing? Stop! Now we can do. I have some rail there and a house. No, we can't. Oh my god. Are you serious? You're laying on my tracks. Thank you. So we have a wagon, and we have a space wagon something. In the 1950s wagon actually. Yes, I think it's not. So we will see if this looks very good. I hope it does. Power. Look on him then. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, it works. It looks very good. I can see. We can pull this wagon very good actually. It's a very good puller. And it looks actually very good, if you ask me. Yeah, it looks very good. What do you think, Kissy? Does it look good? I hope. Oh, and a 360. It looks very good. It's a very good performance. Yeah. So that's for all we do today, guys, and we see you next time.